Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich, often called a BLT. We will start by gathering all our fresh ingredients. You will need ripe, firm tomatoes, crisp lettuce like romaine or iceberg, and about 6 to 8 slices of your favorite bacon. Don't forget your preferred bread, perhaps sourdough or whole wheat, along with creamy mayonnaise, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Let's get started on this classic, delicious meal. Now, let's cook that bacon to perfection. Lay your 6 to 8 slices of bacon in a single layer in a cold skillet. Turn the heat to medium and cook slowly, allowing the fat to render and the bacon to become beautifully crisp. Flip the slices occasionally to ensure even browning. Once golden brown and firm, remove the bacon and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess grease. This step is crucial for a truly satisfying BLT. With your bacon perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. First, toast 2 slices of your chosen bread to a lovely golden brown. While still warm, spread a generous, even layer of creamy mayonnaise on the inside of both pieces of toast. Next, arrange 3 to 4 crispy bacon slices on one piece of toast. Follow this with 2 to 3 juicy slices of ripe tomato, and finally, a few fresh, crisp lettuce leaves. We are almost there. To finish your incredible BLT, lightly season the tomato layer with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple step truly enhances the tomato's flavor. Carefully place the second slice of mayonnaise-coated toast on top, completing your sandwich. For a classic presentation and easier eating, cut your BLT diagonally in half. Serve it immediately to savor the delightful combination of warm, crispy, and fresh ingredients. Enjoy every single bite of your homemade BLT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.